It's London session and there is this good buy option. So we can enter a buy. Let's increase our lot size, then enter. Yeah, I've just entered. I have insufficient funds. So I opened how many positions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's a good buy opportunity. It's a good buy opportunity. Yeah. Let's wait for the market to play out. It's a very nice opportunity to buy. We bought at 3319.02, about 50 pips. This was last week, NFP. We managed to cut this move from here to here. I made the same video and I posted on Friday. You can go and check it. So let's see. Let's wait and see. Yeah, cruising well. Yeah, it was a good buy opportunity and I explained this strategy in my previous videos. So if you want a detailed video about it, or if you have an issue with getting the right entries, just comment below so I can know how to help you. At 11 pips, still moving on well. Let's give it time. It's a good buy opportunity. It's a good buy opportunity. Still moving on well. Still moving on well. We are at 10-11 pips. 10-11 pips. Still moving on well. It's London session. It's London session. Now let's wait for a strong bullish move. Yeah, this is a strong bullish move. It's a strong bullish move. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Guys, this is pure price action. As I usually tell you, price action is the king. You don't need to master so many concepts. I don't know ICT, I don't know what. Trading is very simple. You need to use very simple strategies to win the market. We are still moving on well. Moving on well. Moving on well. I also have a live on YouTube that is explaining step by step, telling my people how to go about it. We are at 19 pips. Guys, it's moving well. See what I told you. See what I told you guys. See what I told you guys. I'm just using price action only. Just price action only. This is purely price action, purely. I'm using price action. See guys, see the move, see. see the move, we are at 30 pips, 31 pips. So let me close because I don't want to be greedy. Just close and see what I've managed to make today. I had some loss of about 40 pips, this one, but I managed to make some good cash. Yeah.